Hi guys, this is Adi Setar and today we will learn how to correct the save file in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm making a simple business card. File new 3.5 inches width and height is 2. Create. I'm only simply I'm not making a complex design. Okay, just I'm writing a name here, John Doe. John Doe. This is a simple design. Now I will save it. Export front JPG export. Now let's check. See, see, it's not a correct size that I have inputted. How to get rid of this issue? Just go to Adobe Illustrator and file, export, save for web and legacy. Now you will input here width 1050 because 1050 width in pixels is equal to 3.5 inches. Then height will be equals to 600. It will automatically, when you input the width, it will automatically select the height. Now save save it on desktop in card folder and name it front. Hit save. Now go to check. At this time, Adobe Illustrator saves the correct size. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe.